Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Provide. So today we are going to discuss about the topic is called as a nomenclature of the cyclic compound. So how to name the cyclic compound. So last video we discussed about the naming of the functional group in a chain we discussed. So first of all here some rules is there before going to learn about the nomenclature of the cyclic compound. First we have to learn. So generally if you see the preference order, first of all we have to give the reference to the principal functional group. Later principal functional group we have to give the priority. Later multiple bonds, whether it is the double bond, triple bond is there, later preference gives to multiple bonds we have to give. So next one, number of the carbons in a chain. Number of the carbons we have to give the priority. Least priority we have to give the rings we have to give. This means anywhere functional group we have to give the priority. Functional groups are presented in the chain, that functional group containing the carbon should get the least number. For example, function group presented in the ring, the function group also should get the least number. So here you can see here second point is, if the carbon containing the function group, only carbon containing the function group, not all function group, carbon containing the function group, carbon containing functional groups. What are the carbon containing the function group also we will discuss. Carbon containing the functional groups are directly attached to the ring. Now we are discussing about the ring system. Directly attached with the ring. These are taken part in the ring. These are taken part in the ring. While discussing the example, you can understand the rules, you can understand. So any function group is presented on the ring containing the function groups. What is that one? Carbon containing the functional group, we should taken part in the ring only we have to take. Now you see what are the carbon containing the functional groups will be there. So for example, if you see carbon containing the function group, we can see COOH, we can see the COOR, we can see next one, we can see the CO, we can see next one, you can see CONH2, we can see the CN, we can see the CH2. So special suffix, whenever if you are not counting the carbon containing, then we treat it as a special suffix. So COH, general what we are using, if you are count, it is a oic acid we have to use. Suppose if you are not counting, then we have to use not counting this carbon, carboxylic acid we have to. Now we are not counting it, carboxylic acid. These are not counting the carbons. Whenever we in the chain or in the ring we are not counting, then so this is called as a carboxylate. If COCl is presented in there, so carbonyl chloride. Halide, it is better to name it as the halide. In presence of COCl, you can take the X also, you can take. Next one, carboxyamide. C, and generally what we will do, we will take it as a nitrile we will take, but special prefix carbonitrile. What we treat, aldehyde, all we will use, but here we are not mentioning the carbon, counting the so carbaldehyde. This you have to remember. So these whenever if you are not counting the carbon containing the functional group while numbering, we have to use this special suffix we have to use. So next one, for example, in a given ring, carbon and the in a given ring and the chain, they are with the equal number. That time we have to, for example, this is the 3 number, this is the ring, we have to give the priority to the ring. For example, this is the 4 number, that time we have to give to the priority to the chain. If they are with the same number, we have to give the priority to the ring only, we have to give priority, we have to give. So here I am taking the 2 example to understand the rules. Carbon containing the functional group is directly attached with the ring system. It is taken part in the ring only, it is taken part. So name should be done in such a way that the carbon containing the functional group present in this ring should get the least number. Otherwise, start with the number here only. 1, 2, 3. Number should be start with the functional group in the ring, that should get the least number. Next one, for example, if you see CH2Cl, carbon containing the functional group and ring, carbon containing the functional group and ring, in middle carbon is coming in middle of the carbon containing the functional group and the ring, then the numbering we have to done like this, and this should be a this should be a branch, or this should be a substitute we will do. So now we will discuss the some of the example. Now we can understand very easily, we can understand. We know that structure, what is the structure? Prefix 2, prefix 1, root word, suffix 1, suffix 2, suffix 1. Generally we are using this word, we are using. So see one example. So what is this name? So here 1, 2, 3. This is also 3 carbon ring. This is also 3 carbon. Here also 3 carbons is there. When the carbon number is similar in the both the ring and the chain, we have to consider the ring only. We have to consider. That means numbering should give to the ring. So whatever it is there, it will becomes a branch. It will becomes a branch. So here also where we have to give the number, here or here, we have to start with the number where branching starting. So where is the branch is presented? Branch presented at a particular carbon, that carbon should get the least number. So we have to give 1, 2, 3 like this. So now give the name 1, 2, 3. 1 propyl. 1 propyl. It is a prefix now, that's why I am writing as a 1 propyl. I am writing 1 propyl. Totally what is this? Cyclo. 1 propyl cyclo. That indicated that cyclic ring is presented. Cyclo suffix. What is the suffix? Cyclo, root word propane. Cyclopropane. 1 propyl cyclopropane. So next example you can see. Second example. Different rules, you will see the second example you can see. So here I am making the 111. Just now we discussed. First we have to give the priority to the principal functional group. Later multiple bonds is there here, followed by the number of the carbons, followed by the rings. Here multiple bonds are presented, so we have to give the priority to the multiple bonds we have to give. So multiple part is a main part and a ring will become a substitute. The branch will become a. Here where we have to give the number. So here we have to start with the number. Double bond containing the carbon should get the least number. 1, 2, 3. So at the same time you can notice that the branch should get the least number. Here branch should get the least number. In the first position cyclopropane is presented. So name it as a 1 cyclopropane. So what is the root word? Pro. What is the main chain? Pro. Propene or propane? It is a propene. So prop1ene. It is better to mention. It is present in the second position. We should not take it as a second. We should take it as a number 1 carbon only. We have to take. Already we discussed this rule. We have discussed it in the last class. So next example we can take. Carbon containing the function group is directly attached with the rings. Then we have to take it as a part. We have to take. So here it is based upon the whether you are counting the COOH, whether you are not counting the COOH. Just now we have written the table. We have written in the table we have mentioned the some special suffix. We have mentioned what we call it as if you are not counting the special functional group, carbon containing the special group. So now name should be started here or here. Obviously priority order COOH will come from the first. So the number is done in such a way that the functional group should get the least number should get. So 1 and 2 and it is 3. This is the one method. You can see here. Otherwise you can write also 2, 3. Which one is the correct? Whatever it may be, the branch should get the least number. The branch should get the least number. So second position, this is the third position. Like this we have to write. Whatever the branches are presented, branches should get the least number, should get the branches. So here 1, 2, 3. So name. Second position, what is there? Profile. 2 profile. What is this? Cyclo. 2 profile. Cyclo. Total what? Cyclopropane is present. But what about this one? COH is also presented. So cyclopropane on first position carboxylic acid is presented. Cyclopropane carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. So whenever if you see the functional group is directly attached to the ring, you can take it as a part. You can take it as. You should not use the word oic acid. You should not use the word oic acid. Why? Because we are not counting this carbon. We are not counting. Whenever if you counting the carbon, whenever if you give the number from the carbon, automatically we have to use the word oic acid. We are not using the carbon. We are not counting the carbon. That time what we have to use? Carboxylic acid we have to use. So number should not be done like this 1, 2, 3. It should be like a whatever the branches are there, it should get the least number. You should get branches should get the least number. So next example you can see. So here I have taken the one cyclo and functional group is indirectly attached. Functional group is indirectly attached. This means what? Functional group and the ring. Functional group and the ring in between carbon is presented. So carbon is situated in middle of the position of the carbon is middle in between the carbon containing the functional group and the ring. In this case we have to start with the number from this. Here we have to start with 1, 2 we have to start. So whenever it becomes the substituent, it becomes the substituents. You should not take it as a main chain. You should not take it as a principal. Principal chain you should not take. Why? Because if it is directly attached, in cases, for example, if it just now we discussed, it is directly attached like this. then we can take it as give the number to the cyclic group. But here it is not attaching directly, indirectly attaching. Then we have to count the carbon containing the functional group. We have to take the give the number starting from the carbon containing the function group. We have to start. So what is this name? Second position, cyclopropane is presented. Cyclopropane is presented in the second position is presented. So before that, what we have written? We have written the carboxylate. We have written. So here carboxylic acid we have written. So here we have to use the word oic acid. We have to use the word oic acid suffix 2. Why? Because we are counting this carbon. So 2-cyclopropane, ethane, 1 oic acid. E should be dropped. Suffix 1 and suffix 2, first letter of the suffix 2, suffix 1 last letter with repeating of the A, E, I, O, U, Y, it should not be conjugated. Already we discussed it. So that's why. So 2-cyclopropane, ethane, 1 oic acid. So next example you can see. Here I am taking the one cyclohexane. I am taking cyclohexane. Different example we are going to discuss. So here in this, here I am taking the ethane. I am taking here. I am taking the methyl. I am taking methyl. So simple thing. Cyclohexane I am taking. So here where I have to start give the number. So if you see alphabetical order, ethyl will come the first. Alphabetical order, E will come the first. Ethyl will come the first. But here we have to see, even though the cyclic system with the more branches, the more branches should get the least number. That means what? The numbering is done in such a way that it starts from the more branches short than. That means more branches should get the least number. That means more branch containing the number is the starting for the numbering. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also in 1, 2, 3, 4. If you go from the like this anti-clockwise, clockwise direction, fourth position, ethyl will present. So what is his name? Fourth position, ethyl is presented. You should not write as a 1, 1, 1 dimethyl 4 ethyl cyclohexane. You should not write. Why you should not write? Why? Because in alphabetical order, E will come the first. That's why we have written 4 ethyl. We have written. So 4 ethyl. Next you can repeat 1, 1 dimethyl, 1, 1 dimethyl cyclohexane. No double bond is presented. That's why we have written as a cyclohexane. So next example you can see. Next example. So here we have taken the two different type of the function substitution. Here I am taking the ethane. Here I am taking the methoxy. I am taking the methoxy. So here you can see methoxy or ethane. So where we have to start give the numbering, we have to start. Here we should follow the alphabetical order. So we have to give the number here only. How to give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So priority order of also ethane is more when compared to ethyl is more. Sorry, it is not. Ethyl is more when compared to the methoxy. So here 1 ethyl, 4 methoxy, 1 ethyl, 4 methoxy, cyclohexane. 1 ethyl, 4 methoxy, cyclohexane. So for example, okay, this is about the cycle. So now we will discuss about the benzene. IUPAC names of benzene derivatives. Benzene rings. Benzene derivatives, IUPAC names. Benzene derivatives, IUPAC names. So generally if you one functional group is presented on the benzene, generally we can use a common name as written as the IUPAC, common name we can use. But whenever if it is the two function group is presented, then we have to use it as a IUPAC names we have to use. If one single function group is presented, then you can use a common name also you can use. So here I am writing the some of the common names. For example, OH is presented. One hydroxybenzene we should not write. Just repeat it as a already we discussed why we are not using the degree of this OH. So this is called as a phenol we are using. Just you can use the phenol. Only one OH is presented. So here you can see CHO is presented. Here it is used the benzaldehyde you can use. Benzaldehyde you can use. If NH2 is present, aniline you can use. Aniline you can use. For example, CN is presented. Benzonitrile we can use. This is about the only one function group is presented. For example, two function group is presented, then the numbering is done according to the IUPAC only. If the two function group is presented, according to single function group is presented, then we have to give the common names we have to give. So by taking off the two function group, we can see. So here I am taking the initially I am taking the one benzene ring. Here I am taking the OH. I am taking here also I am taking the OH. So how to give? What is this ring? Benzene ring we have to write. Benzene. This is the OH suffix to know. That's why I am returning the root word. Benzene I am taking. Benzene on the first position, third position OH is presented. So OH is presented. What we have written? What is the function? Ol we have to write. On what position presented? 1, 4. How many? 2 is presented. Diol. 1, 4, 2 OH are presented. That's why we have written that diol we have written. So for example, COOH is present and COOH is present. Here we are not counting the COOH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should not give the number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because whatever the function group, whatever the substituent, whatever the branch is there, they should get the least number they should get. So here COOH. Benzene, we know that this part. Benzene 1, 2, we are not counting. Oic acid should not be repeated. Here we are not counting. Carbon containing the function group whenever we are not counting. Dicarboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid like this. While naming also, whenever we are counting the carbon containing the function group or not containing the function group also, we should repeat it. So for example, benzene with the hydrocarbons, how we will be name it as? So hydrocarbon combinations. So if the benzene with the methyl or ethyl, that time we have to give the priority to the benzene ring only we have. Other than the methyl, ethyl, any change, for example, present on the profile, so open chain only we have to take it as a main part. So benzene ring with the on the benzene ring methyl is presented, on the benzene ring ethyl is presented. That time we have to treat ethyl methyl as a substituent. We have to treat benzene as a main part. Other than the ethyl methyl, any other hydrocarbons are presented, profile, propane or butane is presented. That time it should be treated as a branch. It should be treated. So it should benzene become the branch. By taking the some of the example, we can see. So here benzene ring. Here I am taking the methyl. Here benzene ring. I am taking the ethyl. So what happened? Benzene ring with ethyl and methyl. That time it should be considered as a substituent. It should be considered only methyl and ethyl only cases. So numbering, how can you give here or here? Of course, obviously here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Anywhere you can give. So here it should be get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how can you name it? It is as a 1 methyl benzene. 1 methyl benzene. That means it will become a prefix. 1 ethyl benzene. So like this. Methyl ethyl is presented, that time benzene treated as a main part. For example, in place of the methyl and ethyl, large number of the carbon chain is presented. That means more than the 2 carbons. So I am taking the one benzene ring. I am taking here CH double bond CH2. Any example you can take. So only methyl and ethyl CH3 C2H4 H5. So here what I have, one double bond is presented. Whenever if you see double bond is present, double bond containing the carbon chain is attached to the benzene, it is taken as a main part, it will become as a branch. This is also you have to notice. So here how we will give the number. Branch should get the least number, or 1 2 or 1 2. If you treat like this, it is a 1 phenyl. If you come like this, it is a 2 phenyl. So 1 phenyl is the correct one. 2 phenyl. This means what? Branch should get the least number. So here 1 phenyl eth 1 in. So like this you can write. So same benzene ring profile is presented, propane is presented, or butane is presented. How can you treat it as? So here, so name 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, it is not correct. So in this case what? This will become the main chain, benzene become the prefix. Benzene will become the prefix. So now what position? 2 phenyl, what is this? Meth, eth, pro, but. So 2 phenyl butanes. You can take any chain also. Chains are presented, you should take it as a main part. Even double bond is presented, you should take. Only in case of the methyl and ethyl with the benzene, that time benzene as taken as a main part. In other cases, propane is presented, double bond containing the carbon chain is presented, triple bond containing the carbon chain is presented, then we have to give the priority to the double bond, triple bond and the main chain. Before we discuss first we have to give the function group. Next one, multiple bonds we have to give. Next one, what? High carbons, that means more number of the carbon. Least priority to the ring we have to give. This order we have to remember. So next one you can see, for example, if any organic compound having the function group, anyway, for example, we can know that organic compound. So that means I am taking as a benzene. So benzene containing the function group. Just now we discussed with the only alkyl group we discussed just now. Methyl, ethyl, propyl, propene, butane. This is only multiple bonds, double bonds and carbon chain is presented. For example, organic cycloorganic compound containing the functional group, how we will treat it, how we will give the numbers. So if any functional group is presented, on the benzene ring, on the cyclic ring, then it has taken as a main part. So the functional group may be, whatever the functional group is presented, functional group may be prefix. Functional group, whatever the prefixation is, that may be prefix. So you can see class hex, nothing but halogens, not in class, NO2, NO, etc. This will be like a prefix. Now by taking of the some of the example we will discuss. So one more thing is complex substance should not be included in the main part. So see one example, I am taking the benzene, I am taking benzene containing the functional group we are talking. So you can see here, if benzene ring without functional group, of course meth propane will become as a main chain, but benzene ring organic compound with the functional group, then it is as a main part. We have to treat it as a benzene, treated as a main part. Complex we should not be included in the longest chain. Complex is presented, we should not be included in the. So numbering, how we will give? Here we will give or here we will give? Of course we will give from the chlorine only, we have to give the chlorine. So suffix only we have to give the chlorine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We should not write 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why? Because this is the complex. Complex we should not include it in the long chain. We should not write 4, 5, 6. We should not write. Already it is a complex. So this is 1. So now I will give 1, 2, 3. On the 3, 2, on the first position methyl groups is presented. Already we discussed how we will name the complex substance. So now you can see 1 chloro as per alphabet. 1 chloro, 4th position 1 comma 1 dimethyl, 1 comma 1 pi-methyl. 4th position what will be there? Meth prop. 4th profile, 4th profile. In the 4th position only 1 comma 1 dimethyl. So what is this part? Benzene. We can write it as a benzene. Write it as. So like this. So functional group is presented, we have to treat it as a prefix. We have to treat it. So for example, you can treat, taking a C. Here I am using the chlorine. Now it is different example. Functional group is present with the main chain. It is presented. So chain you should take it as a principal chain. You have to take main part. You have to take. This is the main part. This is called as a prefix. It will changes into prefix. It will be changes. Why? Because based upon the function groups only we have to see. Naming 1, 2, 3, 4. You should not name it as 1, 2, 2 phenyl. You should not name it as. Why? Because whatever the function group, whatever is presented, that halogens should get the least number. So 1 chloro, name 1 chloro, 3 phenyl, 1 chloro, 3 phenyl, methylpropbutane. Butane. Like this you have to name it as. For example, on the benzene only 3 function groups are presented. On the benzene only 3 function groups are presented. Already we discussed in the 3 function groups are presented, or more than 1 function group presented. One is only we have to take it as a suffix to. Remaining will become a prefix. It will changes to prefix. So now you can see 1 benzene I am taking here. 1 benzene I am taking. On benzene 1 position CN I am taking. 1 position bromine I am taking. 1 position here OH I am taking. So initially prefix, suffix, all are only suffix only will be there. But Whenever if you see more than one functional group is presented, one only will become a suffix to, remaining will become a prefix. Remaining will changes into the prefix to will be changes. So if you see the priority order, least priority bromine and least priority OH, highest priority will be like a CN. So now what CN is the suffix to, this will be like a prefix to, this will changes into prefix to, the changes into prefix to, they are changing. Why? Because according to the, we have an order, according to the priority order, Cn having the most priority order. So now how will you give the number? Most priority order should get the least number, should get the least number. So here you can give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How will you name? First what will come? 3 bromo or 5 hydroxy. What will come? Automatically in alphabetical order, B will come first when compared to the H in the hydroxy. So 3 bromo, 5 hydroxy, 5 hydroxy, benzonitrile, benzonitrile. Like this you have to. Whenever if you see the 3 functional groups, this is the common rule. 3 functional group presented, only one will be changes. So next example you can see. Benzene, CH2, Cl. So first position is there. So you can write, how can you write? 1 chloro, benzene ring activated as solution. 1 chloro, 1 phenyl, methane. Why we are not taking benzene as a main part? Why? Because chlorine is presented, just now we have written, no? That's why. So next one you can see, one benzene I am taking, meth profile is presented. How to give the number? Not benzene, I am taking the cyclohexane I am taking. How we give? Methyl should get the methyl's alphabetical order. If you see function, prefix should get the least number. So 1, 2 or 2. Which one is correct? This one is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So name is 1 methyl. On the first position methyl is presented. 3. This is also alphabetical order we have given. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So M will come the first. That's why I have given the number for the methyl. Later I have given the number for the propyl. I am not going with the like this. Why? Because whatever the substituents are there, whatever the branches is there, whatever the prefix is there, whatever the function groups is there, they should get the least number. I should not go with the number with the one profile. Why? Because in the alphabetical order M will come first. So 1 methyl, 3 profile, cyclohexane. So next, for example, 2 methyl groups is presented. Similar example, 2 methyl groups is presented. That means here how to give? Of course, more branch should get the least number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how will you give write them? Number of the branches is more. Just now we discussed number of the branches is more. More number of branches should get the least number. So Methyl or ethyl, which will come first? Ethyl will come first. 3 ethyl, this is ethyl, no? 3 ethyl, 1 comma 1 dimethyl, 1 comma 1 dimethyl cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. Okay. Next one. Next example you can see. So here I am taking the NO2. Here I am taking the one double bond. Where I have to give the number. So double bond should get the least number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 nitro cyclohex 1ene, or cyclohexene also you can write. Cyclo 1ene only you can write. It should not be 2ene, it is a cyclohexene. So next example you can see on the bench. Cyclohexene I am taking the 1 OH. Here I am taking the 1 double bond I am taking. Here how will you give the number? Of course this OH, as according to the priority order, OH should get the least number. Suffix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now you can write cyclo. It should not be a prefix. Cyclo hex. Here it is 2 in 1 whole. Like that we have to write. For example, benzene with the substituted benzene compound nomenclature. So we can use the common name or you can use the. So for example, CH3 is there. Methyl benzene you can write as a toluene also you can write. Methoxy benzene you can write as a anisole also you can write. Better to learn the IUPAC and common names both we can learn. So see one example. Bromine is presented. So 1, 2. 1, 2 dibromobenzene, 1, 2 dibromobenzene, 1, 2 tribromobenzene, that we know. So next example we can see, it is a very very important example. Here I am taking the one benzene. Here I am taking the one benzene ring I am taking. Chlorine I am taking, NO2 I am taking, here also NO2 I am taking. So here you can see the number, how we will give the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First position, fourth position, sixth position. Everything should get the least numbers, no? That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 1, 2, 4. Least number should get. So how can you name it as? So C will come first, now chloro. That's why I have given important. 1 chloro, 2, 4 dinitrobenzene. You should not give the number from the nitro because 2 nitros are presented. Dinitros are presented. So next one you can see. If it is 1, of course you can go with the priority order. You can go. Next one. Benzene I am taking. One methyl group, NO2, is there. So how will you give the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Otherwise, if you, that means 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. If you give the number, lowest locant alphabetical order also you should consider. So otherwise, if you give the number like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. Which one is correct? Lowest locant rule, in the sense this one is wrong, this numbering is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that only we have to give the number. So what is the name here? 2-chloro, with respect to 2-chloro, 1 first position methyl is presented. 2-chloro, 1 methyl, 4 nitrobenzene. 4 nitrobenzene. You can see here, without Cl, without NO2, you can treat it as a methyl benzene. So without NO2, without CH3, you can treat it as a chlorobenzene. Without CH3, without Cl, you can treat it as a nitrobenzene. You can use also here in place 1 methyl, 4 nitro methyl benzene. Otherwise 2-chloro, 2-chloro, 1 methyl nitrobenzene. Like that also you can use like that also. So next one, you can see another example. In IIT also they will ask the different, the optional also they will give the different names they will give. So here chlorine, here methoxy, here CH3. As per the lowest locate rule, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever it may be. Similar. So here, how will you give the names? So 2-chloro, second position, 2-chloro is presented. So 2-chloro, 1 methoxy, 2-chloro, 1 methoxy, methyl benzene, or also you can write, or 4 methyl benzene. 4 methyl benzene. 4 methyl benzene. Otherwise, you can write another way also. We know that methoxy is presented. That means without these two, methoxy is presented. It is called as a anisole. We know that, I know that methox, this is called anisole. While we are writing the electronic configuration, we will write shortcut. No, here also you can write the shortcuts. So here methyl is there, here chlorine is there. Remaining part is called methoxy. So 2-chloro, 4 2-chloro, 4 methyl anisole with respect to methoxy. Otherwise, if you go with the methyl benzene or chlorine benzene, that time you have to treated them as sorry, substituted as a, you have to treated them. So next one, you can see next example. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. How will you give? It is not a suffix, it will become like a prefix. So 3, 4 dimethyl phenol. Dimethyl phenol. So next one, you can see another most important. For example, benzene is presented. Benzene is there. Here one group is presented. So this is called as the ortho. This position is called as the ortho. This position is called as a meta. This position is called as a meta. Ortho meta. This position is called as a para position. We are calling that position is called as a para position. We are calling. So you can see here, while taking the example, how will you name it? We can write. So on the here NH2 is present. Here NO2 is present. So what para position? What is there? Nitro is there. Nitro NH2 is a common name. Aniline. Sorry, IUPAC name. Aniline. So otherwise you can go with another also. Here phenyl is present. Here I am taking as a bromine. So how to get the number? Branch should get the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here it is getting so. According to the alphabetical order, you should get the list number. So 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. Which one is the correct one? So here also I am taking the one bromine, double branches I am taking as a bromine I am taking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 2, 3 dibromo. 2, 3 dibromo. Alphabetical order B will come first. So 1 phenyl meth propbutapent. So it is called as a treated as a 1 pentyl. So alphabetical order we have to see. So the substituent whatever is there, it should get the least number. It should get the least number. So next example you can see. Identify the functional group. How many functional groups are present in a given system? How many function groups are present? How many function groups? 1, 2, 3. This is called as a 3 is there. How many? 1, 2. 2 function groups. So next example is most important example. Here I am taking the one aldehyde I am taking. If I count it as a all will come, otherwise it is carbohydrate will come. Here I am taking, this is called what? Ester. Ester I am taking. Ester I am taking. So this is what? Meth, pentene I am taking. It is called as a pentene. So here how we will give the name, we will give the name. So here aldehyde is there, ester will be there. So only one will be the suffix 2, other will be like a prefix. So according to the priority order, it will become the prefix. So we have to give the number starting with the, here only we have to give. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because why started the number like this, in the sense double bond should be completed faster. So you have here, you have to remember, any alkyl group is attached to the oxygen in a ester. Any alkyl group is presented on the oxygen in ester. You should not write the you should not go with the aldehyde name. We should not go. Any alkyl group, whether it is the ethyl, methyl, propyl, butyl, you should write the first. Ester group containing the alkyl group, you should write the first. So ethyl we have to write. Ethyl, no need to mention the position. Ethyl. Fifth position, what is aldehyde? All are formyl we have to use. Formyl. Already we have learned when we have to use that one. Whenever it is there in the prefix formyl, we have to use whenever it is there in the suffix, if you not count, that time we have to use carbaldehyde we have to use carmyl. So total what is this? Cyclopent 2-ene, second position, cyclopent 2-ene is presented. On the first position, we are not counting the carbon, carboxylate, it is called as a carboxylate. We have to see, because what, CHO here we are not counting, and here it changes into prefix. That's why we are converted into, that's why we are named it as a formyl. Here ester is there, carbon is not counted, carbon containing the functional group is not counted. So that's why we are use the word carboxylate. We have to use the word carboxylate. We have to use the word. So this is about the today lesson. So next class we will discuss about the spiro bicyclo compound nomenclature. So thank you for watching.